everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to do a coaster. Okay, let's get started. I've got some yellow gold that I'm going to put in this little one, and I've got some blue eye candy. I cannot pronounce that word. BUSAN, blue. I have no idea, but it's a pretty blue. It reminds me of the Michigan colors, Michigan State, Michigan University colors. I hope I got that right. My husband's into football. I am not. And my mother and it's funny how my husband and my mother-in-law both like two different teams. Let's put that there in case I didn't get enough. Stir them up. And I will be back once these have been stirred. That way you don't have to sit there and watch me do it. But just make sure you stir it really, really good. So all the little pieces of mica are stirred in. All right, they're all nice and stirred. What I didn't mention before is I did grow up in Michigan, but my husband did as well. But I haven't been there since I was I just became an adult. I was like 18 when I left, 19. He, on the other hand, didn't leave until about 6 years ago. But that's okay. I've known him since high school. Since middle school, actually. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start pouring in here. And I think I'm going to do right in the center. And then kind of like a dirty pour, only a ring pour. I'm not doing as much gold because the gold will take over. So I'm just putting a little bit in there. Look how it's given it that rings. They probably won't stay that way, but let's see. I might have to make up some more. This looks like it may or may not fill it. I do believe this is what they call a clean pour. I'm not certain. I didn't go that much into it. If this could stay there, this would be great. Stay. I think I'm going to mix up just a little tiny bit more for the center. Oh, wait, I've got an idea. I wonder what clear would do if I push clear in the middle. Let's try it. I've got some clear mixed up. I'm just going to put clear in the middle. There. Now we'll see what it turns out to look like in the morning. And I might have filled it up a little too much. Dang it. Okay. I'll pull some of that out. Let me get a spoon. I don't have a spoon, but this will work. Maybe. See how it's way too much? I'll turn it around so I can scoop up some of this side. All right. That looks much better. Okay, I will be back to you in the morning when this is cured. We'll do the next step. All right, that's nice and cured. I've got my UV resin. Life update, still a hot mess. And I'm just going to put it on top of here. Let's see. I'm just going to go this way here because it just, I don't know, feels better. Let's go ahead and get it on here. That's the UVDTF sticker that, hey, I said it right that time. Oh, sorry. The sticker that my husband wanted for his little coaster on his side of the couch. And I got some exciting news. I set up my members. So now, if you'd like to become a member, I have 2 tiers. I've got Keep Creating and I've got Keep Pouring. Sound familiar? um, with the first tier, I'm going to have some member-only polls, and there's that one up there right now. And there's going to be early access to every new video. I'm going to try to do at least 48 hours, minimum 25 or 24. It's going to be anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. And then you're going to have exclusive pouring emojis. Those are loaded as well. And on tier 2, which is Keep Pouring. Oh, the first tier is $4.99 a month. The second tier is $7.99 a month, but you get everything from the first tier, including monthly members only studio diaries vlog that I'm going to do once a month. All right, I've mixed up my Teexpert resin, and we're just going to pour a quick little top coat on here. I know I don't need much. I've mixed up more for other things. We're just going to spread this around. Now, my suggestion to you is if you want to put it in the curing machine, I would not with the UV DTF sticker on there. I've tried it before and it tends to wrinkle. So please don't put it in the curing machine. Unless you want them wrinkled. I mean, you know, that Patriot ones I did before, they did wrinkle. Edge is a little off. Okay. I guess I didn't have it on a perfectly level spot when I was waiting for it to cure. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my long neck lighter. Not enough to get it warm or anything, just enough to get those bubbles off. All right. I'm going to let this cure, and I will be back to you once it's done. All right, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get this out of the mold, even though you can actually see what's going on here. Let's see. Let's flip it over. Well, that looks kind of neat. You can see through it. See? But I think that blue and gold turned out amazing. The gold ended up mostly on the sides there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now.